Say goodbye to outdoor power anxiety. This 600W high-power portable solar folding bag is here to redefine what you think portable solar can do. 3 core strengths to get you up to speed. 1. High-power fast charging. Boasting a rated 600W, a rare high-power folding design you won't find everywhere. Under ideal sunlight, it generates 0.5 kilowatt-hour per hour, leaving other options in the dust. Easily powers high-wattage devices or charges multiple appliances at once. Perfect for energy-heavy scenarios like camping, RV trips, and emergencies. 2. Foldable, portable, easy to store. Lightweight and compact, it's built for on-the-go use. We've revolutionized clunky, hard-to-move industrial-grade glass solar panels into a lightweight folding bag, just 14.5 kilograms total. Folds down to a neat size for easy carrying. Unfold and it's ready to unleash massive power. 3. Efficient, sleek, and built to last. Featuring advanced BC chip technology for a sleeker look. Higher photoelectric conversion efficiency means more power from the same surface area. Reinforced panel surfaces offer exceptional strength and flexibility. It handles accidental steps or pressure so you can use it with total peace of mind. With this bag, power worries are a thing of the past. The 600W portable solar folding bag. Efficient, convenient, reliable. Your ultimate go-to for outdoor power solutions. Hongwei, your ODM partner for portable solar panels.